Kubor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Kynhun Myntri hene kasngi kala Mynjur ban Tungkam Pura no ye Nongtrei Adhoc ki badan ko ba praspa san phongun ki Nongtrei ki bala Tungkam ye ki shwa kasnam arhajar hanyo Myntri rang ba kajalla ha bakran ki Nongtho Kubor lai thu ba ya kini ki Nongtrei an Tungkam Pura no ye ki khamtam kini ki praspa san phongun ki ba kim shim la yo ban sha Tungkam Pura ha ki por ki bala dab ula ban rap da ka ba ong ba ka sarkar kala Mynjur ya kani kat kum ka jimtha jong ka Supreme Court
that under the Assured Career Progression Scheme, the ACPS scheme, where you are aware that if there is no provision for any kind of promotion for a particular government employee, this ACPS scheme allows them to go to the next level in terms of their pay scale, even though the promotion is not given, but the pay scale level goes up every 12 years. In that process, there are sometimes anomalies come up where certain employee, because of this ACPS scheme, is getting a higher pay scale more than even the person who is his or her senior because of the promotion that that person got. So these anomalies occur once in a while in certain departments. In order to ensure that the same level is maintained between the people who have been getting the ACPS scheme and the individuals who are promoted and are senior to the persons who got the ACPS scheme, we have allowed the finance department today to, in a way, at par, bring the two together so that these anomalies are not there anymore. This has been happening in the past, but it has been being done at the level of the finance department. We wanted to regularize it, and so today the cabinet has regularized it and given the formal approval for finance department on a case-to-case basis, look into these areas and take the necessary decision to bring them at par. There were a few very important decisions that
Adhoc employees 800 plus.
Yeah, so basically this is the important part. I'm thankful to you for asking that question. As I mentioned, these are ad hoc appointments against sanctioned posts, which means the posts were sanctioned. We already have money for it, but the appointment was done on an ad hoc basis. That means that they were not followed through DSC or through MPSC or through any recruitment board. So therefore, those people, though they're appointed at an ad hoc basis, they are already receiving money and salary at scale because it is a sanctioned post. So there is technically no financial impact in terms of salary, but these employees will get the pension benefits in the future, and they are now regular employees. So to answer your question, it is the implications will be from the post-retirement point of view, but currently they are already receiving the scale which any employee would have got for that particular position. And as I said, this ad hoc recruitment was against sanctioned post, and hence the money is already going to them. So there's no financial impact.
So there are none who have retired already from this. Are there any already who have retired?
Yes, there are. There are some people who have even passed away. Yeah, but then the pension benefits will be given to them. That's the beauty of this and the important part of this decision making. It's a difficult decision because the process was not followed at that point in time for their appointment. But we can't blame anybody right now. So it's a situation where we need to resolve it. And so based on the Supreme Court rule, we got an opportunity to regularize this particular section. But this cannot be done to all. So ad hoc employments, in fact, appointments are not legal, technically speaking. And hence we have informed all the departments time and again, this cannot happen in the future. And that's why now all the posts that are there, if you must have noticed, we are going for massive recruitments in all the departments, district selection, new recruitment boards have been created to ensure that recruitment happens. So all this procedure is in place. But as I said, this is a one-time measure for employees who are appointed on an ad hoc basis against sanctioned posts pre-2007.